back in the shop here, and what we want to do right now is to reinstall the front frame back underneath the car. The front frame has been sandblasted, epoxy coated, and we used a paint called Leckler. It's a frame coat, it's a PVC satin. It's pretty durable and it's intended for this kind of use. So it should resist a lot of chipping. Also, what we did is we've got brand new energy suspension bushings. They're going to be installed, which you can see them in place there. There's the bolts for them. A little bit about the frame. The frame was in really decent shape. We didn't have any problems that we could see with it. Over here, we had to weld up the holes. Over here, the holes for the mounting bolts were getting rotted and very thin. So we cut that out, welded in a new piece, and re-drilled the holes in the same position where they were before. Now the body mounts sit tight and flush in, or sit tight and proper in the frame. Also, what we've done is we made guide pins that go into the frame on this side here, and there's another guide pin for the other side. On the other side, it goes into the body and into a single hole. On this side, it goes into a slotted hole that can be adjusted, so you can swing the frame this way or that way to adjust the position of the frame underneath the car. And we'll be taking measurements at various points to make sure that we've aligned the frame with the car itself so that we get a really nice and straight alignment and won't have any drivability issues with the wheel alignment. There we go. Okay, so the next step is we will mount it underneath the car. Now it's pretty.
Pretty.
So there we are underneath. That's what the underbelly looks like. And coming up to the rear bolt holes for the frame. There's the other rear bolt hole. Good. Lower the frame down a little bit, carefully, just slowly. Slowly. Over there, I think that's, yes. Oh yeah. This is one of the open sides here. Yep. Okay, so I guess I'll go underneath there. And I'll try to back it from underneath. Basically on this one. Okay. So if you can raise it up a little, I'll try to get the back ones in. Yeah. Make sure it doesn't come up. Over there. Pull back a little bit. Just so there's the bottom washer on here already. Right there. They've all been pre-installed. And I'm in an awkward position. So let me see where that is here. Oh, I guess I gotta go by feel. Did it line up?
I can't really see.
Should be able to. I think it did. Yeah.
Oh, okay, good.
Good. Okay, so we're going to start this one off. Just as a guide. Okay, it is holding there. All right. Now we'll go to the front and we'll jack that up. So we've got the other one in. So the two back ones are in. We'll guide the two front ones in. And then we'll start tightening them up. Now that we have it installed, now we'll try to figure out what size socket went on there. Okay. Up all the way. I'm going to give it a bit of a snug. Go on the other side here. I'll snug this one up. us a little bit of plate for adjustment. And we have a lot of space here. Oh, we got a ton of space there. I was worried about that because the subframe connectors have to go in there. Or it'd be nice if they did go to that point. It's so nice and shiny in here. Okay, that's there. I'm just gonna back them off just a touch so we have wiggle room. Okay. Then we'll put the pins in and see what the alignment's like. There's that. Oh wow, it's gotta come over this way. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, nice. Ah, that's better. This bottom hole here is a little bit loose, but that top one is nice and snug. But see how we had to adjust the frame over this way?
Yeah.
A lot. So let's go to this one here. These ones you can buy at Summit Racing, not a sponsor, but I made these on our lathe. So, see, that's where I need to go back. Okay. That one fell out. I have to get a magnet for this. I'm gonna go there, and then I'm gonna go to the steering. Well, just color the center of the frame right there. Oh, that's close. He's so close. Yep, that's good enough there. Good enough. Okay, so that Plumb Bob is there. Anyway, so we've taken a mark with our Plumb Bob here from the rear side of the lower control arm bracket on the frame. We marked a spot, and we did the same thing on the opposite side, and then we measured a crisscross from front to back, crisscross it, and we basically were within 2 millimeters of each side. So we have on this side 183.8 millimeter. No, you don't call it 183.8. Okay, we got 1838 in millimeters. We're doing good. And on the other side, we got
1840.
18.4. All right, so whatever that, 1 meter? Is that 1 meter then? Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 meter, 83 on this side, 83.8, 1 meter, 84 on the opposite side there. And the only thing that we have left to do is measure from straight back and see if they're the same that way. So I got, yeah, so it's 1 meter, 60.37. What am I saying? 163.7. 163.7. We'll see if it matches up on the other side. So basically that works out to 5 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 5 feet, 4.5 inches. Okay, let's go back to the other side. 3.7. And if you zoom into here, there's our dot. Oh, maybe we can see it better on that. So 163.7, and we are 163.9 or 164. So 163.7 on the other side, 164 on this side. So we have a difference of maybe 3 millimeters. So I think, according to the way we've checked it, this thing is pretty accurate and pretty straight on here. So that wasn't so difficult. Is there any other thing to check here? No, this is straight up and down. The other pin is straight up and down. So I think we've got it where we want it. So we can lock the frame in and do another. Oh, I thought you were recording me on this.
I am.
Oh. We can lock the frame in, and then we can do another measurement just to make sure. So that's what we'll do right now, is just tighten up the frame and see if anything moved. Guide pin is still going straight up and down in there easily. So there's the tools we used today. 2 guide pins, a Plumb Bob, tape measure, tape, and a 15/16 half-inch drive. I don't think that'll come out. 15/16 half-inch drive socket. We used the engine crane to install the frame, and we lined up everything as best as we could. We tightened everything up. We'll do another measurement later just to ensure that we did everything correctly. And that's basically how we installed the frame. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.